So I ordered these Bluetooth motorcycle helmet headphones off of Amazon. They were specified as ultra thin, which kind of attracted me because I don't really want to have some thick, bulky, headphones in here that hurt my ears. So this is my helmet with the pads taken out. As you can see, I have them here. So I took those out, and as you can see, that's pretty cool. They have little spots already where headphones are supposed to go. So we're gonna be installing these, and I'm gonna let you know how they sound, how they hook up. This is what it comes with here. I just wanted something really simple and sleek, So comes with the charger, 2 headphones, I guess pretty thin, and then the wire that goes around, and the mic and the controller. So yep, let's get to hooking them up, and then I'll hook it up to my phone with the Bluetooth, let you know how it sounds, and hopefully this video can help you out. So here's everything that came in the package. That's the box, user manual. This model is the JZAQ BT40, which I'll leave a link in the description if you decide you like these. But these are the adhesive pads, as you can see, and on the back already comes like that. So easy stick and remove. Oh yeah, and if you want smiley face stickers, I guess they come in the package. I have no idea. This is the most random thing. But anyways. Okay, so first I'm gonna put these in the helmet and the insert holes there. And I'll be right back, and then we will hook up the headphones. Alright, I got the little adhesive backed pads on there, and these stick well. Now one thing you're going to want to note is the side with the mic goes on the right side. So the side with the microphone will go on the right side of the helmet. So let me get these laid in here, and we'll start putting the padding in. Okay, here's a quick shot of what mine looks like before we put the padding in. I'm not sure about the exact positioning of this mic, but for now we're just going to roll with it and see how the padding fits. Alright, so I got all the padding in, and I kind of skipped showing you how to put the padding in because I know every helmet's different. But if you took it out, I'm sure you know how to put it in. So everything fits pretty well. I mean, look at that, you can't even see it. I am gonna try it on now. I know this piece right here is kind of weird. I don't know if it's gonna bother me, but I'll go ahead and put this thing on, and I'm curious if I can feel the wire. That's the only thing I'm kind of curious about. So let me try this on, and I'll let you know how it feels. One other thing I gotta say about these JZAQ headphones for your motorcycle helmet, it connects so well. Like the first time you connect your Bluetooth, it's gonna take a second, but as long as your Bluetooth is on, once you connect it for the first time, and then after, when you ride again, all you have to do is hit the middle button on the speaker inside your helmet, which is the power button, and as soon as you turn it on, it connects right to your phone. Like, you don't have to do anything, which I found is really nice, really convenient. You don't got to fiddle with it. You just turn the power on, and it auto connects as long as you put that setting on your phone. To a certain point, it's not going to be loud enough. If you have a really loud bike, and you're going like 70, 80, 90, and the wind is rushing, I mean, I don't know what you should expect, but obviously you're not going to hear it as well as if you're just cruising and taking it easy. So that's another thing I just wanted to mention. You know, when you're going that fast, I don't really feel like you're focusing on music. You know, you should be focusing more on the road, especially when you're going faster. I mean, when you're cruising, I feel like it's more acceptable. That's just my opinion. So I just wanted to throw those few things out there. Overall, you know, I've done, let's see how many miles I've done with this headset so far. I have done 664 miles, and so far I do not feel it. It has not bothered me or brushed my ears or anything like that. So as far as like comfortability goes, I would give that, you know, a 10 out of 10. And volume, when you're just cruising, I definitely give it like an 8 to a 9. And then when you're going really fast, you know, I'm gonna give it a 6 or a 7. So overall, I would highly recommend it. It was pretty cheap, maybe 20 bucks or maybe a little more, I can't really remember. I'll make sure to leave a link so you guys can look it up. And like I said, this one was specified as the ultra thin compared to others. So if you want the effect that I'm having, I would definitely get these. And I just want to thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a good day, and please consider subscribing if you learned something today or you like this video. Have a good one. Peace.